Little dragonfly landed right on the phone. That's awesome. Just hanging out. It's like, take my picture.
Quick,
take my picture.
You can just get the wings.
I was like, I have a butt or that was his butt.
16 ounces. I think I just gave away the ounces.
That's cool. That's the first track we had a actual train on it. Yeah. Huh. Green Mountain General Merchandise. We're gonna get cold beverage along the way. Well, that was a little bit of a climb in the heat. A little rocky ridge. Oh, we go this way. The AT symbol is guiding us through the whole thing. That's pretty cool. I wonder if we actually climb into it or we just go past it. Either way, pretty enjoyable. Oh, look, the arrow goes that way. Whew. It's a hot one. And muggy. It's like snaking us in through all of it. That's funny. Go this way, go that way. Looks like the AT is trying to get us to do a little rock scramble before we get to the big stuff. Kind of hard to hold all this at the same time. Oh. Ouch. In the future, I will put my trekking poles away before attempting to do any of these diameters. Still pretty cool. Alright, I made it to the shelter and I am all fit up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some dinner, get to bed. Yeah. See you at the next place.